What's up, YouTube? So in this video we're gonna be doing something a whole lot different. I have got these light bars right here that are from, well, there's only one. I have two. Anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna use them both. I didn't want to put them on that, which is my 2015 F-150. I've got a 2019 Razor and it already has light bars on it and everything, so I don't really know what to put these on, but LED Mercy sent them to me to try out. Thought about putting them somewhere on that, but I really want that to just stay clean. So with that being said, there is a video I made on the Razor. It's called Piney Hills Damage Report, something about that, Piney Hills and damage. I'll leave it the top right corner, the little card section. Go check that out if you're interested. But I needed a headlight, which I had, but it was not very bright. So today I'm going to try and put this hat on and mount this to it for a headlamp. Now it sounds pretty crazy, because it is. I don't even know if it's going to work, but if you're seeing this part, then it probably worked. Now we're going to have to put a bolt in there and drill a hole into the hat. This is just some hat I found laying around. If you don't like, I guess, the Arkansas Razorbacks, I don't care. I do not watch sports at all. If I should have used a different hat, comment down below and let me know, and maybe I'll get that one and drill holes in. That is definitely not center. I screwed that up. That looks pretty ridiculous. So right now there's too much. I don't know. I think it's doable. It's a little heavy, but it's a little wobbly right now. I need to get some spacers to put in the bolt. There's just you can't really tell, but there's the bolt's bottomed out. I either need to shorten the bolt or put a spacer in. I think I look pretty ridiculous, but seems like it's gonna work. I could tuck the wire down behind my ear, the back of the shirt. I can put a switch in my pocket. So I'm gonna this is funny looking. I'm gonna put I'm gonna start doing the wiring now, and that way I can have myself the brightest headlamp available. Also, I'm gonna be using these knockoff 12 volt Milwaukee batteries. These are, I got the big ones and the small ones. I've got the I don't have them around, but I've got the stubby 3/8 impact. I've got a PEX gun. I've got the ratchet. I say a lot, but I have all those things, and I only have maybe 2 or 3 Milwaukee batteries. So got on Amazon and found some cheap ones, and believe it or not, you can take, where is it? You can take and put little spade connectors on the end of this and stick it right in the battery. Every time I see this, it's pretty hilarious. So I've got the switch just sitting on the table. Let's see if I can get, oh, I don't know if you can, probably can't see a thing. So now I'm gonna try to figure out how to run it down my back and then have a switch in my pocket. Now I'll probably use this when I go ride, or I could use it at work. And at work I've got some cargo pants and deep pockets, so it would work best. So I'm just gonna finish wiring it up and then we'll go outside and test it. Alright, so I got it mounted up, got the wires run down my back, got them run into my pocket to my light switch. Bam! Blind you. So I'm about to go outside, and it's a little crooked, but I drilled it off center like a retard. But this is just a mock-up. I'll get like a better hat, maybe a hard hat or something. But anyway, let's go outside and test it. So, as you can see, it is putting out plenty of light. So much so that you can't see anything. I think I just need to adjust it a little bit, maybe make it a little bit straighter, and this will be perfect. I'll be able to walk around anywhere and see anything. So if you think this video is stupid and silly, hit the like button. It's not something that I do every day. I just did this for fun because I don't have anything to put these lights on like I thought I did. These guys were nice enough to give them to me. They also give me some rock lights for my razor. I'll leave a link to those and these lights in the description, and top right hand corner I'll leave a couple links to some videos. Check those out. Follow me on social media, Snapchat and Instagram, and I guess I'll catch you guys on another video. Peace out.